According to a recent survey, 56% of salespeople would prefer to spend all morning in the dentist chair rather than all morning on the telephone making cold calls. Some so-called sales gurus will tell you cold calling is an old-fashioned sales technique which doesn't work anymore. It's my view they're talking nonsense. And I believe the reason they say that is because they can't do it well themselves and so use it as an excuse. Look at some facts. In 2016, the Direct Marketing Association released its response rate trend report, which said that cold calling customers yielded the highest response rate, higher than response rates from any other direct response vehicles such as direct mail, email, paid search and internet displays. Secondly, some of the most successful companies in the world, run by some of the smartest business people in the world, hire large teams of salespeople to make outbound sales calls. They do it because it works. And thirdly, from my own experience, I've helped thousands of salespeople and hundreds of business owners to build phenomenal careers and businesses by teaching them to cold call effectively. I know it works and they know it works. So in some respects, I'm pleased these so-called gurus think it doesn't work and teach it doesn't work, because that's less competition for all the people I teach to do it properly. And here's why cold calling is so important. You can connect to people and promote yourself via Facebook, LinkedIn and numerous other social media sites. And you can Twitter your heart out. You can blog, present webinars, conduct email marketing campaigns, post letters and brochures, take stands at exhibitions, and you can network almost 24 hours a day. But unless you are an online e-commerce business, to make a sale or make an appointment to make a sale, someone almost always has to pick up the telephone and make a call. So why not just get straight to it and just do it? And how about right now?